Good morning, George. Well, President Biden is moving quickly to fulfill that promise to get this virus under control, launching a major reset of the nation's approach and declaring a, quote, full-scale wartime effort to combat this pandemic. But the president is also blunt in saying there is still a very long road ahead. This morning, President Biden is ramping up the war on COVID-19, calling the vaccine rollout so far a dismal failure.
400,000 Americans have died. That's more than have died in all of World War II. 400,000. This is a wartime undertaking.
Biden is launching a new national strategy to control the virus and increase vaccinations, and making this promise to Americans.
We will defeat this pandemic. Let me be the clearest on this point. Help is on the way.
The president Thursday taking 10 executive actions, including requiring masks on interstate planes, trains, and buses, and ordering international travelers to get a negative COVID test before coming to the U.S. and quarantine once they arrive. He's also using the Defense Production Act to order private companies to manufacture needed supplies like swabs, masks, and specialized syringes that would allow healthcare workers to get an extra dose of vaccine out of Pfizer vials, increasing the number of available doses. But with January on track to be the deadliest month yet, Biden also delivering a dose of reality.
Let me be very clear. Things are going to continue to get worse before they get better.
The president is promising 100 million vaccinations in his first 100 days and bristled when a reporter asked if he should be aiming higher.
Is that high enough? Shouldn't you set the bar higher? That's basically where the U.S. is right now.
When I announced it, you all said it's not possible. Come on, give me a break, man. That's a good start. 100 million. Thank you.
Dr. Anthony Fauci later calling the president's goal reasonable, with the aim now to try to get most Americans vaccinated by the middle of the year.
I believe by the time we get to the fall, we will be approaching a degree of normality.
You're saying by the fall, the majority of Americans you think will be vaccinated?
No, I didn't say that. I said if we get the majority of Americans, 70 to 85% vaccinated by then, we could have a degree of herd immunity that would get us back to normal. The concern I have, and something we're working on, is getting people who have vaccine hesitancy who don't want to get vaccinated, because many people are skeptical about that.
After being sidelined for months by President Trump, Dr. Fauci back in the briefing room and seemingly relieved.
It was really something that you didn't feel that you could actually say something and there wouldn't be any repercussions about it. The idea that you can get up here and talk about what you know, what the evidence, what the science is, and no, that's it. Let the science speak. It is somewhat of a liberating feeling.
Now, today, the president will shift his focus to the economic fallout of this crisis, taking more executive actions intended to provide more aid to families who are really struggling to put food on the table. Also looking at ways to try and speed the delivery of those direct stimulus checks, and also taking steps to try and help workers who simply may not feel safe returning to the job. George, these are all actions intended to help Americans, but also to help stabilize the economy.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.